Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a very cool 1940 porcelain Coca-Cola Coke push door. So that you'd see this on a door, some type of retail operation, and that's where you get your advertising done. Obviously, you need to wash your hands before pushing this, but it's really nice shape. So if you are a fan of Coca-Cola retail in general, or just like something cool for your door to attach, this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.